ready to dive into the golden world of the turmeric plant. Turmeric, or as the cool scientists call it, curcuma longa, is not just a spice, it's a superhero in disguise. This bright golden wonder has been rocking kitchens and medicine cabinets in Southeast Asia for centuries, and today we're here to reveal why. In Turmeric Chronicles, this versatile plant is like the Swiss Army knife of nature. It's got anti-inflammatory powers, perfect for tackling those pesky joint pains. Antioxidant awesomeness boosts your immune system like a champ. Antiseptic abilities keeps your skin looking flawless and fresh. Want to grow your own turmeric? Here's the secret recipe. Water it. Keep it hydrated about 2 to 3 times a week. Timing. Plant in the spring to enjoy warm, humid vibes. Harvesting. Ready in 7 to 10 months when the leaves turn yellow. Soil. Loves well-drained or fertile soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Turmeric isn't just a pretty face, it's a culinary star, added to your dishes for a burst of flavor and a pop of color. Plus, it's a health booster too, inflammation fighter. Curcumin, the active compound, helps manage arthritis and other inflammation. Immune system booster, antioxidants to the rescue. Digestion hero, say goodbye to bloating and gas. Skin savior, achieve a radiant complexion and tackle acne and eczema. Heart helper, lowers cholesterol and promotes a healthy heart. So there you have it. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a golden ticket to better health. Plant it, cook with it, and let its magic work wonders for you.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.